So you want to start a business from home. Maybe you want to get out of the office life or be able to spend more time with your family. Whatever your reason is, you're here and ready to get started. Now listen, I really want to be upfront with you. You've probably seen a bunch of headlines like, earn $100 in a day working from home. Work from home for an hour a day. Yeah, these headlines are catchy. I clicked on them myself. But while starting a business from home has a lot of benefits, the odds are you're not going to start making money right away. And if you do, it's not going to be millions. As long as you're realistic with the expectations, you can focus on building a strong business from home. And if that sounds good to you, then you've come to the right place. So let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Natasha Ivanovic. I'm the head of social media at Tailor Brands and a fellow small business owner myself for content writing. And today, your host for Tailor Brands Business Lab. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for new videos and leave a comment below so we can help turn your idea into a business. Step number 1, discover your idea. All businesses, including yours, start from an idea. When coming up with your idea, first and foremost, make sure it aligns with the type of business and lifestyle you want. For example, there's really no point starting a candle business if you don't like candles. It's easy to let the dollar bills fog your decision making, so to make sure you choose the business idea that suits you, step back and think to yourself, is this a business I can really see myself doing every day? If the answer is no, then go back to the drawing board. Next, think about how your idea is going to come to life. Are you going to offer it as a service? Create your own product? There are tons of different ways to bring your idea to life depending on the industry you're in. Step number 2, choose a business model. Not all businesses are the same. Your business model can help you plan out how you're going to make a profit, identify your target audience, set up costs, and marketing strategy. You have a few options for your business model. Freelancing, where you sell a skill to another person or business on a project basis. For example, it can be a freelance graphic design or freelance social media manager. Coaching and consulting, where you offer your expertise and guidance to businesses and individuals. For example, it can be a life coach, health coach, or business consultant. Affiliate marketing, where you create a website and promote other people's products or services and receive a commission for every sale. Digital products, where you create online courses, worksheets, ebooks, or templates, selling them on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. E-commerce, where you sell products or services to people via a website or platform like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. Drop shipping, where you build an e-commerce store to sell other people's products. Software as a service, where you create software that helps others do business, charging them a subscription fee. Once you have your idea and business model, you can then start to do product and audience research. Step number 3, research your product or service and audience. After you've chosen the type of business you want, it's time to do some research. Now, it's important we warn you, you'll probably want to skip this step, but don't. This is one of the most crucial steps for building a stable business. See, before you start building your business, you need to research the industry and product or service you're going to sell. So you'll need to do the following: research your audience, research your competition and overall industry, and see how your product or service will fit into all of this. So let's focus on your audience. Who are they? Doing audience research refers to researching a group of potential customers. By understanding the needs of your audience, you'll be able to not only fulfill them, but make better decisions for your business. To get started with audience research, you'll want to create a buyer's persona. So what is this? Well, think of it like creating a character of your ideal customer. You'll want to ask questions like, who are they? Men, women, millennials? Be specific. What do they love to do? Are they outdoorsy? Do they like shopping, music, movies? Where do they hang out online? Facebook, Instagram, Twitter? And what's important to them? Do they value the environment, sustainability, freedom of expression? With this information, you'll get an idea of how you'll connect with your customers. To do this, look at your current customers, if you have any, or competitors that can help you answer those questions. Once you have the answers, you'll have an idea of who your customers are. So to get more information about your customers, you should analyze your competition. Okay, so how do you get this information from your competitors? We're about to talk about it. Competitor research will help you gain this information about your customers because they'll show you what they sell, who they sell to, and where you, as a business, can stand out. So you'll want to grab 5 to 10 competitors and research their websites and social media profiles to collect as much information as possible on their products or service and audience demographics. Don't worry, we have a post about this in the description below. So once you've done your research and have all this information, then you can create a more accurate buyer's persona and learn how to position your business to get the attention it needs. So let's use the example of me owning a yoga business, and I want to target the right people. So I create the buyer's persona of Sarah. Sarah is my ideal client. She's the person that I'm trying to get into my business. So after going on my competitors, looking at their websites, looking at the comments on their social media profiles, seeing who's liking their posts and what they're putting out there, I can get an idea of who Sarah is. And so in my head, Sarah is a woman between the ages of 25 to 45. She's university educated. She lives in the suburbs, has a dog, loves healthy eating, wellness and fitness, and she works as a nurse. So how can I position my business to get the attention it needs? I know nurses work a very high stress job, so I will position my business to help Sarah reduce the level of stress she's in by taking my yoga class. By having an idea of who your ideal client is, for example, in my case, Sarah, I can better create a marketing strategy that suits her, that will speak to her, and that will help her come to my yoga studio for yoga classes. After this, you can start to create your business plan. Step number 4, create a business plan. Before you can get to the fun part of building a business, you need to build the foundation. Having a business plan offers multiple benefits. Firstly, it outlines how your business will run, which will give you more clarity as a business owner. Secondly, it will help secure funding from a bank or other lender. Your business plan should include the following: an overview of your business, a detailed description of your business and why it exists, information about your industry and target market, the products and services you offer, your marketing plan, how your business will operate. This includes your equipment, shipping, and suppliers, and your financial plan, which will go over how much it'll cost you to start your business, where you'll be getting the funding from, profit margins, etc. Once you have all the information completed, you'll be ready to start building your business. Don't worry, we have a link to help you build your business plan in the video description below. Step number 5, decide on your business structure. You'll want to figure out your business structure because it'll determine your legal and tax requirements. Most small businesses choose one of the following: sole proprietorship. This is the simplest form of a business structure but lacks limited liability. Partnership. This form of business structure might be good for you if you have a business partner. Limited liability, also known as an LLC. An LLC offers limited liability without the additional complexity of incorporation. It's one of the most popular small business structures out there. Corporation. Like an LLC, a corporation provides limited liability, but it's a little more complicated to both set up and maintain. And before moving on, always consult a tax professional to make sure you choose the best business structure for your business. Step number 6, cover your legal requirements. If you're having an online business established in the US, business laws still apply to you. While as an online business, you may require fewer licenses and permits than a physical business, you'll need to check with security, copyright, privacy, and sales tax regulations. Also, if you're selling internationally, you may need to comply with custom laws and duties. So don't forget to check all this information out. Step number 7, develop a brand and marketing strategy. Your brand is the reason why someone buys from you. It's that emotional element of your business that encourages people to make a positive reaction. In other words, it could be to subscribe to your newsletter, to make a sale, etc. To build a brand that connects with customers, you'll need to know who you are and what you sell, know what you stand for, which will be shown in the mission statement, brand values, and brand promise, your unique value proposition. In other words, why customers should choose you, your brand story, the reason why you do what you do today, brand voice, which is the tone and language you'll use to communicate to your customers, and your visual brand identity, which includes your logo, brand name, and style guide. By completing these points, you'll have a well-rounded understanding of your brand strategy. From there, you can continue to build your marketing strategy and website. Now, on to step number 8, build your website. Building a website nowadays is really the easiest part of starting a business. You don't need to learn how to code, you don't need to be a website designer, and you don't need to hire 10 people to get it up and running. Today, you can actually start a website very easily, and Tailor Brands Website Builder is the platform that can help you do that. We have an automated website builder that's designed to create the perfect website for your business without you needing to have any experience in website building. So with just a couple of clicks, you'll have a fully responsive, visually appealing, user-friendly website to use for your business. Yeah, seriously, it really is that easy. And there you have it. Once you've finished all these steps, you'll have your small business ready to go. Now it's up to you to keep it running. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about starting your business, let us know in the comment section below. Thanks, guys.